So I am here with my company, Magic. We have a favorite holly tree, and we just get a little bit because me and Magic going to spend Christmas together. So I collected some pine leaves, as you can see, and then the holly jolly Christmas with some berries on it, and we are here sitting under the pine tree because me and Magic's going to get some pine cones. So we are here. Look at all the pine cones. How's everyone? How are you? Where's my Kris Kringle? My Kris Kringle! My Kris Kringle! Me and my Kris Kringle collecting some pine cones, leaves and berries because we're going to put up Christmas decoration, just a little arrangement because me and Magic is going to celebrate Christmas together, right Magic? Okay, but for the meantime I need to find a pine cone. Maybe I'll pick this pine cone. This one is pretty, but there's a bunch of them. And then that's the Mets Museum. That's the Mets Museum. We're behind the Mets Museum. And on a field of pine trees and field of pine cones. If only pine cones can be dreams. Oh my God, so excited. Then we're going to have our dreams come true. And it's a lot of them over here. Yep, I just need to pick one. Okay, we're going to pick some pine cones to go with our decoration because I am 100 here, as you can see. We have to pick some pine cones, some Magic. And this is me and Magic have a favorite holly tree. And as you can see, up, get up there, up. Yeah, look, I already collected some pine leaves, holly. This holly leaves and berries quite sharp, but it's good because we're going to make our little decoration. Until then, okay, we will see. So I'm going to go concentrate and get my pine cones organized and packed up. Bye.